Hi friends, welcome to TechieMit. Today in this video we will see how the debugging works in Spring Tool Suite. So what are the various aspects involved in it? So firstly what I'll do is I'll set the breakpoints. So what I've done is I've written a sample program which print the sum of first 5 numbers. So for setting breakpoints is as being the initial point, I will set breakpoint over here. Now here when you click on the this tab in the editor, there's a rightmost column measuring the line numbers. You have to go over there, just click on toggle print breakpoint. Is if you have to disable it, again you have to disable the breakpoint. Again, I have to enable, you have to click on toggle breakpoint. So I have to set a breakpoint over here, again here when the loop iterates over there, finally over here. So these are the various points in which I need to set the breakpoint. So I've set my breakpoints. I'll just click debug as Java application. As you can see on the screen, on the left side pane, there is a debugger. The window pane that is open and displays all the information in thread, which thread is executing the debugger. It's the main thread, and which are currently at which line number. It's been line 5. So now focus on the right side of the pane. See the sum which is currently 0, which is in the variables part it is being displayed. And now here we have variables and the breakpoints which are being set at various points. Line 5, line 7, line 9, line 11. These are various points in which the breakpoints has been set in the program. So now initially the value is 0, as you know, in the variable part. What I will do is just select over here and right click over here. So below there are various options that can be appear related to debugging, that is watch, inspect, display, execute, run to line, step into selection. These are the various options. So firstly I will use select. So it cannot be resolved to true, as you can see in the screen, because loop is not begun just, so it cannot be executed. So firstly let the user execute. Now you can see on the expression it is evaluated to true. As you can see in the right side on the expressions tab, it's evaluated to true. So that was about the inspect. We can display index 1 out of bound for line 0, so it cannot be used for evaluating. So coming to the point on the variables part, so sum is 0 and I is 1, just so let it iterate once. Using F6 you can iterate it, or F8 you can iterate it. So F6 is to iterate just once through the loop. See again this sum got incremented to 1, so I'll again iterate to 2. F6 we have 4 positions, sum is now 6, 5. Now again we'll check the value which you have set over here, still true. Execute, F6. Yeah, now the condition no longer holds true, so this is expression is cannot be executed as it's getting error during the evaluation. So because this condition does not holds true, and finally the sum value is now seen as 15 on the screen. So everywhere when you see, when you are declaring the program, it will show 15 only. That's sum, it's 15, 15, and it's 15. So that was all about debugging uh, in Spring Tool Suite, and you can see this same output is printed in the console. So stay tuned. More videos to come on tips and tricks related to Spring Tool suits and other are core Java part. Bye for now.